Meet our little guy, Renegade, red stripe male. He's got one blue eye. He is, show me your eye. He's 8 weeks old this week, and he's estimated to be 20 to 25 pounds full grown at the biggest. He might end up a little bit smaller than that. Very sweet puppy, very playful, loves toys, loves people. He loves the other puppies. He's really good with all the other puppies. We'll have some video of him playing later on in this video. Very sweet little guy, good little copper points. He's got cute copper cheeks, a full white collar on him as well. Okay, so this is Renegade.